Okay, welcome. We come you share today. We know go place any music for mourn our sisters and brothers the way they don't kill them all the way from Kumba, LGA. We come share. You invite friend. We come you share. You invite. We get a very sad situation at hand. We no go play no music today. More evidence about the killing will take place in Kumba. We get more audios and more evidence to prove who they do that act for kill our own small brothers away. They struggle for make their own future life. Some followers they go kill them. So we get a very sad situation at hand. I think say for the couple of months now, we know will be ourselves because we see the images, the videos where they come out from Kumba. Not the one way we feel even talk. So, but now we get now to talk who do the acts, how it come. So we get more investigation you go on. Where you come, you share. We get audios and we will play with all man listening about the situation where it take place on yesterday, Ofiango, Basse Francis. So you know an issue where we go with come here, the talk say this, but we get how we analyze the issue, and then we bring the perpetrator to book because we don't care who so hard the act. Why be me to this? We know so do this speaking them because they begin a bit too young. Don't know anything concerning Amazonia. Don't know anything concerning La Republique. They don't know anything concerning Southern Cameroon because this speaking themselves, they don't have to read the maturity stage where they don't start teach the history of Cameroon, but they be too young to die this way. The struggle, the fight for not a struggle where things say na struggle for where Ambazonia go be like Libya, where would they kill people. But audios where they come from the center of Kumba, the Cape Town, the Green Town, where people there they witness the situation where it happened. They give their own observation. It's just like Gabu or the population around the talk vivid way to it take place Gabu. As what to happen, I think say the population of Kumba, they detail wait where it happened and who do the act. So we still get more audios, we see call, get more evidence. People they there from the scene, from the beginning to the end. They go Mutari, come back, still go for the school. They give you their own observation and their own way they think, how the thing go and who do the act. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens of the revolution, now happy Sunday, wherever we day. Today we'll not play music because the situation where we get at hand, it not be in a situation where we supposed to joy, we rejoice. It be a very sad mode. Now why the way some of we do black because it be a very sad mode in a mode where we think say we supposed to rejoice because you will see the images where they come up from Kumba. if you know be say some of we don't be for this revolution for long, where we don't see more than we don't see images the way they pass that one. We know if we contain ourselves for come for social media for every talk. Now because we don't see a situation the way they pass the one way come from Kumba. Now why the way we even gather the momentum for every stand for talk for our people. Yes, before we start the main topic of the day, we will talk about this artists, the way they don't stand for social media. Now they think say Cameroon government, La Republic government, me end the war for me end the crisis. They still call a crisis for Cameroon. But I want to tell them one thing, especially the artists, the way they belong to Ambazonian. I want to say shame for Una. I want to talk this one for artists, the way they belong to Ambazonians, like Stanley Eno, the footballer, and G. Clinton. All them are then with the musicians. All them are tell and say shame to Una. See, I want to tell Ambazonian people something. During a revolution, people they get talent for sing, they get a part for play, for fight, for liberation of their people. Una ask me why they be the key, where people be why man he fight for key Bob Marley, key Lucky Dube, and key all the reggae prophet them. Now because of it, the prophet they be sent a message, a very strong message of liberation. Yes. Now why that way you see if Bob Marley and the other people they don't live today now because of it, now because of their talent, because of it, they be sent a message of truth to the world. Me the world see what really happen among black and white. Me they see the racism where it happen between black and white, and plenty people don't be like them because of it. The people don't be like them, people they commit that act. But if you have our constitution, we get artists, we get people, we get intelligent people, where if you talk outside the year, we get stars in, where they go for their own platform. They tell even their own colleagues, they say, my brother, even though you play this game so, I not be happy because they kill my people for my place to accommodate. Genocide be committed for play where accommodate, but they be silenced. No. You see what will happen for Nigeria? You see what happened for Nigeria? The best people take when they go down march on the street, it be na who them. It be the stars them for Nigeria. And this the stars for Nigeria, you know, be compared with the stars for La Republic or Amazon. They be east down for Amazon, east sneakers. They be compared. But be the first people for storm the street of Nigeria. The tell Nigeria government say you must hear the cry of the people. If they want to take on their upon their senses, they don't even make their word. They get their security, they get everything. That means they know the cry of the masses. But our own stars them, they do it. They've been mute for 4 years. 4 years. When they start killing our people, we never see any star go for tweet. Say we stop the genocide for Ambazonia. Stop the genocide for this. They kill our people every day. We not be silenced. Now we no want to talk because we want to imitate Nigeria. We not see what Nigeria they do. We no want to imitate. It won't be too late. I appreciate Lady Pons. He will talk to me. They give presidency for Southern Cameroon. Me they not control. Who say every day when teachers and lawyers be the protest, when police be the molest lawyers them, it move their coat them, try and it beat them with their coat. Who say Lady Pons be there that time? So Lady Pons and the other people they be one that say me Ambazonian lost thousands of people. Then they give powers for Ambazonian me rule La Republic, me rule the territory. So when I want to say anytime where any change in the one be for that La Republic, and the change where Ambazonian people go lost souls. Before GC Ibowanka will lost souls. Before any development will lost souls. Any two will fight them will get lost souls. They will not benefit. We don't tell when I say this time we appreciate you. Yeah, cry, we appreciate you because you be one of the few that you talk, even be outspoken, because you acknowledge the fact that La République system is a poor system, La République system is a corrupt system, La République system is a system where we not work within. We appreciate the pause, but we tell you it's a bit too late. In what the way he treats, it makes sense, but it be too late. It be too late for you. Me, we fight what we stand for. We don't stand for. What we ambassador people stand for, they already stand for. We don't stand for, and we need to go back. Never. We need to go back. We stand for total independence. And we will fight till we die. Because they not be the key. Now stand with Eno can the tweet. Who's that stand with Eno be there? Now stand with Eno, yes, stand with Eno. Who's that be there? When he don't talk, he don't go tweet now say he heart bleed because of the key for Kumba. The key for Gabu, you talk no. The key for Bali, you talk no. The key for this, why you can't talk for Kumba? Because you see Nigeria artists they demonstrate for street for Nigeria. Now brain don't come back say now give for join this. When we need the Paris, we Paris not rich now. Now the claim say that we star. We need the Paris not rich now. When if we sing a song, how many of now? How many to ask? If you want to meet that baby, brother, so way it good. How many of now this ambassador artists don't appreciate we need the Paris? When somewhere sing that ambassador say when we go hear our prayer. Say, then the key our pin for bush. While I mean the devil bush, they don't burn our houses. We not go be mute because already we not get money for the Republic. We not will pay rule for the Republic. They artist them when they pay on every month, and then we date again. We not the contest of music door. We not the contest of music door for the Republic. We not be silence. Now we no one can talk. Now we no one can talk ambassador. No one can talk say me they end the crisis in Cameroon. Nobody we need to find a crisis in Cameroon. We define our total independence and we find a bloody war. Go to Google. I want to tell my artists now go to Google. Go type war between Southern Cameroon and La République. What I Google no tell us we fight war. We tell us a crisis we fight. We don't pass that level for crisis. We don't battle the war. Yes, they not really keep picking the Vokumba. They move on their score. You can't start with teacher crisis. Which crisis? Which economic crisis will they face? Which economic crisis don't cry for now? Which economic crisis don't cry? So I want to tell these stars them for Cameroon and ambassador say will be so disgraceful. But not all start them there where they don't get their own doom for La République because they mention ambassador like longer petit pays. That one will be respectable. But I want to talk people the way you never use your own voice or even tweet even one time. You talk say you sympathize with the people of Southern Cameroon for what you go on. But we not be quiet. Now tell you see like Nigeria stars they woke up. Now for day we no want calm now for can't talk. We no want talk now. I say they know the pay on that music door money they want used to take a star wait. But I want to tell you stars them. Home is home. I want to Stanley Enon declared all home is home. Home is home. Yes. And some of una there people that don't kill them. Una be 1 or 2 way be affected. Because no man will talk about this trouble say since the war start fight, never kill us in one. Say military, La République minister never kill 1 man way in one. Even the minister they will connect for we are under the main noise. No man will boast. Say they never kill 1 man way in one other friend, relative or this. You must know at least 1 man way sympathize. How you don't do for raise your own voice. Even for small tweet, for write even a 2 sentence word for say sympathize with the killing of this. We will never ever make up. Now today, when we don't see Nigeria, if they woke up, stars of Nigeria they woke up, they will not come start tweet. It don't be too late. We don't fight for 4 years. 4 years. We don't get 1 month to go. The fight will reach 4 years. Start with 2016. We can't enter 2021. We'll enter 2021. We don't start fighting the fight for 5 years. Now be silent, quiet. Now the one come, you can talk. Talk like who? Talk like who? Una gala, una talk. Brenda, I say Brenda to the tweet. In the tweet, how? Who say every day? Who say every day? So fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, I be very ashamed of this stars. When they find themselves, they be look, they within the Paris. They say na small star, no get did this. Now we are big stars. All man go die. All man go die. All man go die. Yes. As a star, you die. All man go die. And all man are 6 feet. You will be star, you know to say where you die. Me the dick you at 7 feet. On 8 feet. All man will enter 6 feet. All man will enter 6 feet. So I be very ashamed with the stars of Cameroon. So ashamed with the stars of Cameroon where they don't kill people for many years when I don't talk. And now in Nigeria stars they don't woke up. Now woke up, can they talk, can they tweet. Okay, got the wash now. Now we go to the killings of Kumba. The killing where take place of Kumba. Fellow comments, fellow ambassadors, now whether it's tomorrow come black and we don't play this because we see the image where it come for Kumba, it be very sad. We see the image where it come for Kumba, where they keep picking them, where they do inside class. They go put it, and we saw about 13 of them, about 13 or 15 of picking them, where they did 11 years. The highest should be 15 years. That was it. That's small pin that way. The innocence. One time our ambassador people don't know something. This picking the way they come for Kumba, they don't even know the contents of the war where we fight them. If we cause a war, actually say, what will we fight? You go don't tell you don't see military, you don't see amber. You don't see military, you don't see amber. They don't know the contents of the war they fight. Before you answer know Cameroon history, at least you must be at least from 4 or from 5. Before they start tell you about Ndele or Foncha or Southern Cameroon independent or this at least from 4 or from 5. They speaking them then from 1 primary school. They don't even know what he go on. What he go on. It's just an example. Like Mami where he did, or Mami where you don't even know, you know, be going to school. You ask about the war, he say you don't know where to go on. He just in the military and this. But fellow ambassadors, it be very shocking for see say our sisters, our small brothers them. They lie down with their uncle blood. They lie down the pool of their blood. You see our blood, they their blood throw down the water when I'm picking them. Okay, I go first. Before I come for that one, I will first play some audio, 2 audios. We will listen that audios for what they take place for Kumba. I see.
You see all the tune I told you so.
Now listen.
That's it up. We don't go right for the school. No. You see the tune they happen so. And then there are boys in custom. In a military they start shoot. When I see some video for them, when I see military they know. The military they don't bring Amber they come for the school quite alright. We can't warn the teachers for tell them they move up picking for school. For the one come with that school, they don't go 5 different schools before they call that school. Now straight bullet they kid up picking them. As they talk, the Americans say me they send picking for house. We all them go house. The one come now they meet on military every day. The military they start shoot. All bullet they so na military that bullet. Amber they use nangwasha they call on a radio. That picking is called come also na military gun that's so na don't go for store. Na military they shoot and na military that bullet. Amber that bullet.
Okay. We don't get this for audio where you come out. Happen like go for hospital, go back to the school, investigate. They give you this. Get two audios the way they come. They want to almost similar. This is similar. So 2 audios. I play the another one.
Na I hear my own say because I hear my own say they come for that school the other day. They can't tell principal say they want to see school and they go on. Private schools are not government schools, yes. They want to principal want to try to go against their rules and say wait till it hoist Cameroon flag. They don't want them.
Okay. Sorry, we don't get low battery, so that's that one. I can map put this thing with just 1 minute. Okay, yeah, fellow ambassadors, yeah, we don't listen to that audio now. One thing we will get to know that audio is just because this thing, the Wi-Fi get this thing get low battery, so we don't listen the audio way it come out from the source. But now I want to talk before one go for that one to elaborate. I want to play some video, more see the video. Then we talk. Now see ambassador pour la see the video. We go see the video. Okay. We don't see that video. That video, now they pass almost 3 weeks, we're going to 1 month, where it happened for Buea. Where military shoot, I think 4 civilians for Buea, with 1 woman, he shoot the woman for hate. And the woman picking and that they cry, they fall onto that mommy, they cry. Okay, now, we don't see this thing will happen for Kumba. I want to move the reflect our brain very well. We don't see this same thing for Gabu. You have for Gabu. Now 13 picking they be die for Gabu. More than 13 picking they die for Gabu. We see this situation for Santa, where they kill the Santa massacre. We see them for Bali, where they kill civilians and Bonham. We see again for Bali, where they kill civilians and Rabam go through water. We see for Mautu. Mautu play Mautu today. For some Mautu. We see for Kata. We see for Pete Bakundu. We see for Pete Bakundu for Eberode. We see again for Bole. We go for market for bread. Shoot civilians for bread. Market shoot civilians. We see for Malay for Malay. We see for Moyoka. We don't see this same attitude where it be performed by the La République agent for Cameroon. We don't see several of these cases. Now, we don't listen audio where it come out. We don't see this video where it come out, where they pass where for Buea. But no man, people don't become. I become a live show. I can talk about this very incident. But with them mute, will be quiet because it be been a mommy and 4 youth. Now this one it involve they go attack now for inside classroom. They go attack inside classroom. They will create international awareness because they will attack picking the inside school. But this same people now picking the way they go school now still students where they be killed for Buea. They kill their mommy for Buea. Now, see students they go school. So if we want to talk, we judge all the situation, we stop the killing everywhere. Student no miss more attack for inside classroom. If you speaking when attacking when mommy has when a student, he die like a student. The one they attacking for classroom, he die like a student. Because La Republic continue to do this attack every time. Now, when this issue be happen, I right as La Republic, you don't kill 6 civilians for some people can catch me right from my wall. I mean, look the TV funny because you the one can write where you never investigate because you don't talk say Amber. I want to tell our people something. This girl where he send audio, he talks about it. When I go Equinox, when I go watch Equinox news, when the incident of Kumba be happen, the first people that become in a military become waiting, military become with jean trouser, with t-shirt, with gun proof. First thing when they supposed to do the Kumba people, my Kumba people, first thing when they supposed to do when we see that military come with assaulted attire, arrest them. They will arrest that military with the assaulted attire. My brothers and sisters, these people, now they cause this havoc for tarnish our image. When we look that bullet, when we move that pH, he move that pH score. see, any man where they deal with this trouble, he know very well. Any man where they deal with this trouble, he know very well. Those bullets, when I tell them, say me the bullet, show them for population see the bullet. Because when this same incident be happen for Gabu, remember all we come for Facebook, we cry. But when international body become, they say they go investigate. La Republic be just they say now they do the act. They name authority. Say na vigilante group. The way they be put down for that locality, wait. Now they do the act. My brothers and sisters. We get to be very vigilant. And when incident happen, the first thing they make you of it say, means people the big gun they rally against separatist fighters. That means don't pass conclusion saying that separatist fighters do. Okay, we say if buy gun now, if one buy gun now, give with the whole population of Kumba, they fight the separatist fighters. Who tell you? And who tell you say now separatists they do that act? Because first people that they appear for that scene now military with assorted attire, plain jean, and information really they be see that military there with where they on top Okada. And that girl on top of it, he said that bullet, they go hospital, they see a military bullet. Well, when I see AKs, see, now when would he talk these things, with some people they think say this revolution na crisis. La Republic they fight a full-blown war with Ambazonian, and they come with the most sophisticated weapon, and their bullets, the way they use them, you know, they na that normal bullet they put inside AK. When I see the bullet, when I look the one that inside AK, when I go see I say the bullet it be more longer and then fat. Well, the Tony see La Republic they fight a full-blown war with we, my brothers and sisters. Okay. Irrespective of the fact, say move forget say no be La Republic do am. No be La Republic one. Ma come now for Amber before I come with La Republic. Ma come now for Amber before I come with La Republic. Our restoration forces for Grand Zero will investigate irrespective of the fact, say audios and even the crime saying that La Republic do the act. But we see investigate. If true, we investigate for no say na a fighter do the act for our picking them. Not only we get something we do, but my own witch na a total curse to you and your generation, and you don't ever see good. Because if you take your gun like a fighter where you think say you will protect the citizen, because when una be sign the oath, una talk say una dey fight at the military, then if una take that same gun, you go for school, you go kill innocent pikin dem wey don't know anything about this war. I want to say this fight not be fight for civilians. They fight at the way if now they do the act, but we never feel conclude, we not feel green, no that they do the act because we don't get serious when a military they do this act. I don't name a for now. We get easy the way military we go for Bole Bakundu. It start from market. It fry all civil, all guys they kill every man every day. It be there more than 20. We never investigate. We know any man where they doubt me. Just ask any man say what be happen for Bonge for Bole Bakundu this 2018. What it happen? When military go for market, move up civilians them. It kill every man. The one they run with bullet, they go outside, they go die inside bush, go die with this. It don't happen for plenty places. And we will not say military will the attack. The military the one tarnish the image of this revolution. And not only military, we get some non-native, we get some crooks. The way they call themselves Amber Boys, they may be Amber Boys. For them too, where they want to tarnish the image of the revolution, we get two military and fake ambers. Because see, if you amber, if you think say you amber, if you think say this war, now war for key students, now war for key innocent civilians, their brother and sister better not be at home. If you think say this war, amber, you tell you war for enforce the peace, for enforce the law, now for key student or key innocent civilians, my brothers, drop your weapon down. Another man will fight the fight. Another man will fight the fight, my brothers and sisters. The blood of the innocent picking the way they die, they not go in vain. And they told this one, see, the military they kill for Gabu, they kill for Bali, they kill for Bole, they kill for Santa, they not go free. And the one they don't do for Kumba. And I go do an inside school. Inside school. We not go free. No man go free for this one. We don't go touch him. But we not go free for this one. We not go free for this one. Now I wish that I give him for any restoration forces. But information the camp for we say now military do that act. I tell you something. La Republic military already failed. See, the true fact where you for this war now, I say military solution not stop the war, the way to want them. Military, they don't say I say military not stop, and La Republic find every miss for semi international body come. La Republic no one come for week to say they don't surrender. But they define every miss for semi international body intervene. Man tell you something. La Republic get not less than 2,500 military station for Ambazonian. And who said they take money for pay that resource, pay that standing army there for Ambazonian? Where they don't put them. Timber for Kumba, you need to go. Train station for Kumba, where be very mobile, you get money, you need to go. Sonora for Limbe, you need to go. For Abakwa, the same. Irish, tomato, everything there. Don't stand still. So La Republic it face very difficult. Very difficult. And not the war. I'll be very appreciative because some of them, those that realize that error, they did tweet now. Say La Republic only fail. Me give a chance. La Republic only fail. Me give a chance. La Republic now is the one create na international awareness. When I see human rights, they don't come today. Anybody follow human rights, they talk to who will be the cause of the killing for Kumba? They say na La Republic. Who will be the cause of the killing for Kumba na La Republic? And Their main aim, why is not La Republic saying La Republic start the war? We will declare war. We start by peace protest. Peace protest. We not be start war. La Republic do it. Now it start kiwi before people pick arms. Before people pick arms for defend themselves. For defend themselves. My brothers and sisters. Any man where you watch me, you think say this war, now La Republic, you will end the war by you. Be an infiltrator or enabler. What you say, if show Amber Fire, me say you add more wound. No, I want to tell Ambassador people something. People don't think they be enablers. What you think say as the mayor of Okumba, but say when I support the military, you think they support the military. When I don't support the military, but for good how many years? 4 years, military never succeed. We see caught havoc. Now the high time this all man will stand for the street tell government say it be enough is enough. Now the time this you will think say you know one more killing. You start tell the government say enough is enough. Me end the war. Now tell the Republic government. When I think say now the Republic government be that when I tell you say now tell them when you think say you enable that tell them say enough is enough. Me the war stop. Me the war stop. Some of we will go outside with peace plan. We march. What the government be do with Kiwi? When I think say they support the government. When I go outside to march, tell the government say enough killing. Me end the war. When I tell Cameroon government say enough killing, end the war. And me enable them. Ambassador will be open. We will be open to end anything with the Republic government on the negotiation table. On the negotiation table. We'll be willing for end the peace, the war on the negotiation table. But when I tell the Republic say me end the war. Yes. Me end the war. Well, when I start see the names the way they kill them, we don't get the list of the names of the picking the way they die. For Kumba. It be so shocking. So shocking. This one now, we not talk say La Republic military ambassador. But we first now the reality of why they get for key in nonsense student picking the way they still get a greater future. A greater future. Because they still get a greater future. They go kill them with military bullets. I want to tell this one for ambassador people. Investigation should go on. And now will ask bear with me. Now can bear with me. Say military commit the act. If I talk, when I coach me go up and down. But I don't quote example of the military atrocities will be committed for ambassador land. I want to tell when I say when I ask La Republic military say this boy will cry for boya. This boy will cry for boya. Until mommy, when a year you can incident happen for Kumba, go interview now to say who do that act. Go interview the family for Gabu. As they say on incident happen for Kumba, the same he go tell when I say who do that act. Go interview the family for Santa, interview the family for Bole. As they say that act they do for Kumba. Come here, I don't talk say who do that act. We don't see plenty scenario the way military gather in the Kina one. We don't see mass grave them. Mass grave the way military kill Ambazonian citizens. Iberia. They worship silence. So my fellow comrades, fellow Ambazonians, I come this show today with a very heavy heart. I come today with a very heavy heart. We say, whosoever will do that act, he will go unpunished for this planet Earth. Yes. Well, since now we kill for some Cameroon, the judicial system need to work again. Lawyer them and judge them, they don't get no powers. When military kill any man, the military will go free. But no say the nature, the God, not the military, the God will create we. The God will create we. You go pay. If you not pay for the sins where you don't do them, your picking they will pay for that sins times. The sins of the father, it will follow the generation. The sins of the father, it will follow the generation to generation. For the act where you go use a trigger, innocent picking them. You shoot them, they die. You shoot them, they die. And then you see, and then you stand, you observe, you see how their parents, they shed tears. You see how the population, they cry. Then you be happy. You say you don't do them. Well, but one thing, this war will end. The enablers them. I want to tell you one thing. This war will end. If you want to write any article against Ambazonian, I want to talk this one especially for enablers. If I write any article against Ambazonian, write a well with store them, because any action when you take your Facebook, will you keep on archives? Will you keep on? When I know one day say this war, it go end. No war never they fight and no end. And say, you and no one million war end. That means they fight with a selfish interest. That means they take money for some side. Bet the war will end. There you go give your accountability. And whoever knows say this war will end for the benefit of Southern Cameroon, because we get a just reason why we will fight. Now, by the way, you see, international body never tap we. We don't manipulate the whole social media. Call international body. They act like terrorists. International body don't deny. They don't tap we like a terrorist because we get a just reason why we will fight. We were two separate people that came together. Terrorists, they don't be people see their face. Terrorists, they don't focus. So we need to be terrorists. So if La Republic thinks say, even it costs all the atrocities every day for the international body to tackle terrorists, they waste their time. They waste their time. They waste their time. It's high time the population starts. The population started La Republic say, leave our territory. Enough is enough. Because when the colonial mayor of Okumba, where they just elect him, they never install him. He first acting. The colonial mayor of Okumba, where they just install him, where they just elect him, they never first install him. He first acting. Now for talk say, me population big gun fight against Amba. Amba be who them. Amba na picking the way for sky. Amba na picking the for Southern Cameroon. So me Southern Cameroon big gun fight Southern Cameroon. My brother, you come out Germany. The mayor, I talk when you come out Germany. You come to Weimar country. You know show. You go Cameroon, you buy cocoa. You buy cocoa, business, waka. You don't do politics. And the politics they don't join them. Now will fight against your own people. And he tell the mayor of Okumba, your own politics, where you don't join them, now will fight your own people. You come to waka, waka no show. You go for business, business no show. You don't join politics for kill your own people. Okay, we will see how the politics go end. We will see how the game it will end. So, brothers and sisters, fellow Ambazonians, we don't need to talk plenty, but I think say we go to bring more evidence as this Kumba saga to be concerned. As the one for Gabu. When the one for Gabu will happen, we will dignoka tokam. People don't be ever green with. No man will be ever green. No man will be ever green. As well as today, as I talk, some people don't green. Until now international body will come tell the Republic say, Iwa investigator Kumba incident, you see that the Republic now will come. It was actually say, now anti-government be former for Kusala, for Fiango, me they protect that area. Now they don't do that act. Now they don't do that act. Now so it will be. Now for the way we will be quiet because that issue will gapu. That when they talk say, now La Republic government do that act. La Republic government accept. No enablers, no ever go. We not see no demonstration where people where una think say una dey support, una picking them, una dey support this. We not see no demonstration where una talk say no, government enough is enough. Una don't keep our picking them. Una be quiet. All man be quiet. All man be quiet for that way like be accept. God be especially even for Douala. Most say ambassador na no go zone. Ambassador na no go zone. But we think say even for Douala, people that will march the streets say enough is enough. Killing innocent kids. Killing innocent kids like the one they kill Abukumba. So my brothers and sisters, it be very aching. Yes. But La Republic is the mark na time. La Republic is the mark na time. So, fellow comrades, fellow ambassadors, we will end the show for here. I'll be just come for say man talk about the Kumba incident because we will Kumba picking them. The thing the baffle we I will get many audios, many this, the thing happen as so, the thing happen as so, the thing happen as so, the thing happen as so. So fellow ambassadors now join hands for pray for Kumba LGA and Meme County in general. Kumba town is a very peaceful and lovely town. La Republic want bring we to shame. So, but the struggle continue. Thank you very much.